Hi fellow gardeners! Welcome to Plant Collection. And in this video, you'll be learning pointers on how to take care of your air plants. So the first pointer is to water your air plants in the morning. So it's very important to water them in the morning because it's the time when they will need to use that water, because it's the time when they will create food for their energy. So what I do in watering is this. I usually soak them in a bowl of water. Leave them there for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then after 20 to 30 minutes, I get a dry towel. And then I put them there upside down, leave them there to dry up. I usually put the towel, the whole setup, under the sun so that they'll be able to create energy. Another way of watering these air plants is by misting. So I just use a spray bottle and then I mist them maybe 2 to 3 times a day. But I prefer soaking because I just do that twice or thrice a week. Okay. Sometimes I use a combination of the two ways of watering there. Next pointer is to expose them to the right amount of sunlight. So air plants here love the sun. My air plants here love the sun. This air plant is called Fuego and this is called Druid. Both of them love a good amount of sunlight, because if you don't expose them to the sun, you won't see colors orange and yellow. Actually, Fuego turns red when you expose it to full sun. But I don't have a place here where there's full sun, so I expose it to morning sun. That's why the color is kind of unbalanced. Here you see that this part of this Fuego is kind of orange, but the other side is greenish. That's why I also need to expose this part to the sun. Well, if this Fuego is exposed to full sun, you see that in the middle it will become reddish. That's why the name is Fuego. Next is to handle your air plants with care. You see the hair-like structures in your air plants? These are called trichomes, and they help your air plants absorb water and other minerals. So if you touch them and you're not gentle with them, it's possible that you destroy these trichomes, and it would be harder for your air plants to absorb the nutrients that they need. Next is to watch out for blooms. Air plants bloom once in their lifetime, and then after that, baby air plants will be created and the mother plant will die after. So here I have a Fuego that had bloomed. The flower already died, and baby air plants are already present. I have here 1, 2, 3 baby air plants. Well, these are called pops, and when they're about a third of their mother size, I can already cut them from the mother. I need to include the roots when I cut them so that they'd be able to survive. Lastly, you may trim your air plants. I have here an air plant that has ends that are dry, so I can cut these dry leaves, dry part, so that they would look better. So I'm going to cut them. Well, the flower of this air plant is already dead. It didn't die naturally, but because I soaked it in water. Well, another thing that you need to remember is to not soak the flower in water when it already has a bloom. So there, it would look better if you trim it. So I'm trimming the parts that are dry. Oops. There. Dry parts. Away. Remove them. Bye-bye dry parts. There. Well, it looks better if you don't see the dry parts. Oh, there's another dry part here. Wow. Make sure to not cut the root. Actually, there's a part here that's already rotten. Here, this part. You can remove it by hand. There. This also is kind of rotten. So I'm gonna remove it. I'll remove this part first, which is also rotten. And this. That would make your air plant look much better. There. And another rotting part. And this part too. And this part too. There, you have a better looking air plant. I hope that this video on how to take care of your air plants has been helpful to you. If you have questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. And please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Happy air plant gardening! Thank you!